Except others. I might be playing this gun game that I always play. 265 credits, okay. I feel like there's aim assist on this, bro. This is just like Fortnite. It has aim assist. Or it's just the hitboxes are the same when it's little people, because I just caught that person like he was nothing. I hate people that have such little avatars. They think that they'll win. I'm talking to myself. Or I'm talking to everyone that's watching this. How does bro just snipe me? Bro's Himothy. Bro has the best gaming chair. He just shot me through a wall. Let's see how much kills I can get with this pistol. Not the little kid, bro. Move up. Bruh. Bro. That guy was definitely actually good. Bro, I hate people that just sprint and jump over and over. I wish they had stamina. All I do is sprint so I can get to places faster. But then this guy, Dilter, he's just going places. I love how they added first person on this game. It's just so fun. After this round, I'm gonna stop the YouTube video because I lost my voice. It's bad. Two minutes. Wow. That's payback. I love this gun. How I got it, I once won a game. My first game that I won, I got a free spin, and then I won like 250,000 credits. Or something like that. And then I bought this gun, and now it brought me here. But yeah, I just looked at my credits. I have 316K. I wish I was better at this game. Still, I am kind of decent at it, but I wish I was better. In 15 seconds, let's try to get to level 60. I don't think I can. 10 seconds. Who just shot me? Alright, bye-bye.